How to add PayPal to Shopify store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin panel, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on payments to access the payment section of your Shopify store, and then scroll down to payment methods. As you can see, PayPal is added as a payment method, but it's not activated yet, so it will be yours. So click on activate PayPal next to it, then click on activate PayPal express checkout at the bottom right of the screen. Here you will be redirected to a PayPal, to the PayPal website, from which you will be asked to enter your email address and select your region. Once you do that, click on next. After that, it will ask you for a password confirmation, and when you enter your password, your account will be linked to your Shopify store. It's that easy and simple. All that you have to do is enter your email and then your password, and you'll be there. So that was it for this video. That's how you can link PayPal to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.